Hello, welcome back to Blender Sushi Live Noding. In this episode, we're gonna do something simple using Sverchok add-on and the Metaballs in Sverchok. So the idea is to make like some kind of tree kind of structure. We can take advantage of the Elfnor Tree generator. So Elfnor is one of the Sverchok developer. At some point, she actually made this some kind of script nodes that will work with Sverchok to create a tree. So this is her page, and she explained how to create the tree. For what we are doing, we're really just gonna need these points for our metaballs. So this is gonna be interesting. It's pretty easy. You just need to just download the Elfnor tree script node. Um, where is the GitHub? Install Sverchok. Okay, download tree generator from GitHub. And this is the space tree Sverchok. You just clone, just download it as as a zip, and look at inside the zip. And if I'm not wrong, I already have it here. So Elfnor tree. Okay, tree generator Elfnor. So this is the script. It's gonna come like a py. This is a script node that will work inside Sverchok. So all you need to do is to go to compositing, Sverchok. This is going to be a text editor. The nice thing with Blender is you can drag and drop some objects like this, some text. Now you have this script node ready. Let's create a script node, not the SNL, but this one. Just grab it, and there you go. That's the nodes to create tree, and we just need to use it with a metaball. So I'm gonna save this real quick just in case. Elfnor Metaballs tree. I'm gonna call it like that. Save. So how do we connect this to that guy? And there are so many things happening here, but we only need to worry about the vertices, I guess. You can check other, like the leaf matrices and all. If you right click and connect to viewer draw, or it might crashes. Okay, just viewer draw, connect the vertices, and you get nothing, of course, because we haven't set up anything. We need to set up the start vertices and end vertices. So start vertices is gonna be vector 0, 0, 0, and for the end vertices I'm gonna be using random vector. Just make it like 25. Plug this into the end vertices and scale it. So we get some kind of tree. It's actually quite interesting algorithm. You can tweak this until you are happy. This is random vector, but random is not good enough. Maybe randomize further. Randomize input vertices. Something like that. So the actual points look like this. That's the random points that we have. We actually probably want to have more, like 80 or something. A little bit better. Just random points. So based from the start vertices here, which is just 0, 0, 0, we're gonna calculate this space fitting algorithm, and we have enough points, and the points is actually nicely distributed along this tree. So we just need to plug it into our metaballs. Hopefully it doesn't crash. Okay, that's actually quite fast. There we go. It's actually a Blender add-on that's using this algorithm, and it creates three kind of structure. Can be pretty heavy, but this is really powerful. You can randomize the seed and get all kind of new tree. Probably the radius can be controlled by this one, branch radius. Plug that in. Seems to be it disappeared, probably because it's too small. It's a little bit better. So I call it instead of tree, let's call it like a ginseng or something. Ginseng is like if you know in Chinese traditions, it's like a root that you can find underground, and ginseng is actually beneficial for body supposedly and make you very healthy, can live for up to 100 years or more. So I call it like more like a ginseng type of tree because it's branching everywhere. Let me show you what ginseng looks like. So I just call it like this is a procedural ginseng, and I'll show you how it looks like. There you go. We can actually make it a little bit better, but this supposedly I think ginseng will have some kind of thick, like a thick root and then smaller branching. Sometimes the ginseng actually looks like a creature. So at some point I actually have this idea, okay, I want to procedurally make like a creature character from ginseng, and yeah, something like this. Maybe that's gonna be for the next, but I already call it this ginseng, but that's okay. So anyhow, the Metaballs currently is we have too many things. Hide the viewer draw. Metaball is nice, but all this circle kind of confuse me. You can actually, if you want to simplify this, you can do that using factor interpolations. For now, I'm just gonna leave it. Gonna make sure they're all touching. Yeah, not too bad. Gonna hide it and then use bmesh object ID out. Connect the object here, and here right click, connect to viewer draw, and we get this. Pretty interesting. Turn on ambient occlusion. Yeah, kind of like the ginseng thing. So metaball threshold, no. Resolution go up to 1.5. Update Sverchok. We have another setup where gonna just save this, I guess. Oh, you can always bake it. Bake, and you get a object like this kind of mesh. Unusual, but interesting. Maybe useful for whatever you're doing. It looks like a creature almost, but I have a better setup. Maybe I'll show it to you next time. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.